These are our Digigrade Werewolf stilts for an upcoming costume contest. Now, Ben doesn't have to walk like that. That's just for the costume. The stilts are reasonably good. The reason he can walk upright so easily is the bungee cords in the back that act like tendons. They help pull him upright. Now, since he's balancing on what are going to be the costume's ankles, we've added a hinge to the toes, so it gives the illusion that the foot is flopping around when it's moving. The straps on the stilts are just Velcro tape with furniture foam zip tied to it. And the metal supports are the supports you find inside like kitchen drawers. We just got some sets of them from a used hardware store. And those are our neighbors wondering what the hell we're doing.